All right, welcome to the channel. I'm Aaron Hunzinger. Hopefully I can keep you guys entertained. I go by AHdidit on social media as well as HHR_SS. Okay, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the new short shifter for, I don't know what vehicle you want to call it. The AH van, AHR number 9, it's my 9th HHR. It's the black one. It's the car that we're going to be rallying this year. Believe it or not, the car is getting a lot of the parts that I kept from the Hurricane, the original Hurricane V1. I decided to remake a lot of the parts, so the parts that I kept are now going onto that car. Kind of going with like a black and red theme, kind of the Advent racing style kit, color scheme is going to be going into it. So, anyways, from Over the Top Performance, I ordered their short throw shifter for the F35 transmission. I ordered everything all red. I think red, maybe with a black shift knob. I'm not sure. I guess we'll see when we open it up. Yeah, we'll see. Let's get into it. Cable clamps, bottom clamp, side clamp. I really like their shifter setup here. I like this a lot. Oh, we'll see. That's the Ooh. Pretty. It's a nice piece of hardware. Shift knob. I guess I did order a black one. Not sure. It's got some weight to it. Oh yeah. Very nice. Some serious weight to it. Which is together real quick. So they've updated this from the previous OTTP shifter that I had. So it's I like the way they've done this. So now once I get this screwed back in here, so depending on which way you have this, so right now I have this, it would be like first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Reverse. So this is the reverse lockout. But they've got this thing threaded on both sides, so you turn it like this, and then they no longer need the reverse lockout. I'll get this all tightened up before I put it in the car. Yeah. It's a nice piece of equipment. That is a nice piece of equipment. Yeah, I mean, look at those welds on that thing. I don't know if the camera pick it up. I mean, it's nice. I just like the way these are made. It's all welded and machined. It's just a nice unit. A nice unit. So, yeah, I'm excited to get this into the car. So, I would imagine from this video, I will probably just go right into the install of this. So, yeah, let's cut to that. trying to do? I'll move it. I'll move it.
Ooh, these are some fat burgers, Carol. Juicy. Thank you, buddy.
Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome. It's right there on my leg. I showed it. So when I was coming back from Rentz's, I stopped and took a picture of my car next to that new graffiti covered wall on 75th Street.
Oh yeah, over the
By the smoke shop?
Yeah.
And while I was parked right there, some dude pulled in a truck to tell me that he follows me on TikTok.
Oh, that's cool. You know, I mean, is he like?
I'm familiar with who he was because of a comment that he told me that he made.
Oh,